So today I'm going to be making a smoothie, and this is all the things you will need: some sugar, some V8 juice, but this flavor, a cup of ice, and this, the berries and kale. I didn't realize it had that in it, but whatever. And your cup. Okay, so I didn't even realize my camera wasn't charging. So basically all I did was a cup of ice, and then I put some sugar in there. I put about this whole spoonful, so just like a spoonful of sugar. And then I'm gonna put the V8 juice in there. And we'll do about like a cup of fruit. So we did the sugar, we did the 8 ounces of juice, the ice, and a cup, little over a cup of the mix. Now we're gonna put the lid on and put it in the blender. So turns out I wasn't filming anything. My camera turned off, but this is it right here. Super good. I have lip gloss on, so I'm probably gonna eat mine like this until I can drink it. But it's so good. I'm like zoomed into my face. It's really good. You guys need to try this recipe out. I'm telling you, it's just this one. So it has a little bit more of like a healthier taste to it. But that V8 juice is the secret to this. I'm telling you, it's super good. And I also filmed another recipe using, not a recipe, another but like a morning version of a smoothie-ish. Using this. That's gonna be my next video, so you guys keep your eyes out for that, and maybe a few more vlogs. But I hope you guys learned something, and if you didn't, then just, thanks for watching my video. But until next time, you guys, stay lurking.